Thanks.
Pixelated kisses, yeah, they got me.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Help me.
Guys.
Let's go.
Out, motherfuckers, bro.
Sammy, you're on this other side.
Where the fuck is you going? Yeah, Sammy, where are you going, idiot? We're going this way.
I upgraded my battle pass.
Dumbass.
Let's go.
Mexico's that way. That's
I have a patch now.
There you go.
I'm not actually in the U.S. Army.
Do a 360.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Ooh. Wait, Border Patrol? Yeah, you guys are Border Patrol.
Yo,
We're
what's
immigrants.
up?
Yo.
No, I wasn't there.
Okay, guys. Okay. Border Patrol,
Ice.
immigrants. Oh.
Ice.
Which one's cooler? Getting into the role play now?
No.
You're getting into the
Yeah, ball all the swag.
Hey, me gusta. Allahu Akbar. I'm switching teams again. Allahu Akbar.
Oh, we just kissed with our head.
That was cute.
I know.
What the fuck, Hammy? What are you guys
These goggles are actually really comfortable, but you shouldn't wear these.
Wait.
Yeah.
Is this Aura?
I know people that wear. Well, I've seen videos of people that wear that.
Hold on.
Checking yourself out or what?
Where are we going now?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't look stupid for the fucking.
Or is this Aura?
Yeah, we're gonna go that way. Let's go. You guys go to that side. So, I like running on this map. Yeah, but you can stay back if you want. Then you don't have to run. Like you can like provide cover fire. Okay. Yeah, I like being real aggressive on this map because it's so small. So like even like a minute jog or two gets you to the other side. Alone on the edge of the universe I come. Ugh. We should move like SEAL Team 6. We just run at them all together. Like back, you know?
Now, you know what, dude?
What's up?
We should start all the way on the right and just sprint like all
Yeah?
the way to the other end.
Yeah?
You like that idea?
Yeah? Wait, right? Like that, right?
Yeah, this way.
Wait, let's see where they go.
Can we hide?
No, let's just act like we're George. So we're gonna do like SEAL Team 6, right? So we're all gonna go like around like the same lane, and we're just gonna run at them.
I hit them in this shit, not body quick. What
I
you
wanna see where they
finna
go.
do? Cause this gon' make the news, gotta make your move. Told that bitch get in, cause she looking confused.
At
I
least
broke the
that is on
rule,
the left,
cause this bitch a witness. Plus I just popped through, but she ain't crying. And this so smelly.
That's fine. Hello?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you guys ready? Okay, yeah.
All right.
We're ready.
Okay.
Go, go, go.
All right. Bye. Oh man. Ahead of me. Hey, Sammy's that way. Hey, one down. George, one that way. One. Wait for me. Yeah!